Yeah, yeah. This every Wednesday actually. Every Wednesday you have this band. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, again, my Instagram also. Going with the chef upstairs. See what's going on upstairs right now. With this chef. Yeah, we're running upstairs. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Let's see what happens here. Woo! Going inside the kitchen right now. We'll see the chef. Chef. Oh yeah. Supposed to rain, but now there's no more rain, so the guest is back. Be ready again, ready for the next batch. I want the balls. By this Uncle Murray. Captain Mario. It's a cooking shop.
Yo. What's going on, Dad?
Nothing's going on right now.
Huh?
Just working. Everyone is working hard. Yeah? Including the chef. See what he's cooking right now? There's this shrimp. A chicken Alfredo.
Yeah.
There you got the fire. You got the fire. You got the fire. Yeah.
I know.
I know.
You are taking video. That's why you wanted to put fire.
My God. He is excellent. Look at this. He loves fire. Just give me a little less. Ketchup. Austria.
Oh, you want the camera?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pause. Excellent. See how these people working hard. Same as in Barclay. Once we get busy, we're busy. I'll show you Chef Philip. Hi. Good? Okay. This is from inside. God!
People in it.
The best. There's the dessert. There's the key lime pie with Mario, Chef Mario. Chef Mario the Great. Look at this guy. Look at the finishing. Look at the finishing. Look at the platings of this guy. It's excellent. Hey, what happened, man? Again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram. You can follow me at all time. All right? And it's almost done. See that? See the clippings? I think there's something wrong with my cooking.
It's key lime pie.
Okay, it's key lime pie. Okay, there's finishing. That's it. And there's running. Alright? Okay, that's it for tonight. So next time we'll do it again. That's it for now. See you next time again. Alright? And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and my Instagram, my Facebook page, The Naked Mixology. Thank you. Have a good night.
Donnie,
Yeah, tell me.
can you bring it down?
Yeah, give it to me.